How important is to have a local experience in order to become an ideal candidate for any position?
UAE experience is very critical. It's really important for you to have a UAE experience, but maybe it's difficult. If you've just been in the UAE for a short period of time, how are you going to have the necessary UAE experience that you need?
Yeah.
One of the things and one of the tips that we encourage people on the Equip for Life course as well is to approach organizations and say, look, in exchange for a week's work, you would write me a recommendation letter. What that then gives you the opportunity is for you to have UAE experience, have a recommended letter from a person who said, I've experienced the working environment of this person and they are a really adequate person and have the abilities that they say they have. In addition to that, if you perform really well in that opportunity, that work placement or internship, it may turn into a real life opportunity.
You can watch more videos on my channel related to this. Thank you.